Hey everyone, today I'm showing you the IIWEY iK7 Portable Apple CarPlay Screen, a game-changing device that brings cutting-edge technology to any vehicle without replacing your factory stereo. If you've been wanting wireless CarPlay, a Dashcam, and backup camera all in one sleek package, you need to see this. Opening this up, we get a seriously comprehensive package. You've got the main 10-inch display unit, a 1080p waterproof rear camera, car charger, both suction and 3M sticker mounts for flexible installation, a crowbar tool, retrieval card pin, detailed user manual, and they've even included a 64 GB SD card right out of the box. Everything you need is here, no surprise purchases required. This 10-inch screen is absolutely gorgeous. With 1600 by 600 resolution and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, it looks premium. Available in black or white to match your dashboard, the entire unit measures 9.45 by 3.7 inches. The build quality feels solid, and that large touchscreen is incredibly responsive. What makes this special? Let's talk about wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. After the first setup, your phone automatically pairs every time you get in the car. No cables, no hassle. Voice control through Siri or Google Assistant means you can navigate, make calls, send messages, and control music without taking your hands off the wheel. The screen mirroring capability through AirPlay and Miracast is fantastic. Whatever's on your phone can be displayed on this beautiful 10-inch screen, perfect for navigation apps, streaming content, or any app you need while driving. Here's where things get really impressive. The integrated 4K front dashcam captures crystal clear footage of everything ahead. Combined with the 1080p rear camera, you've got complete coverage. The Wi-Fi connectivity is genius. Download footage directly to your smartphone for easy sharing or insurance purposes. With that included 64 GB card, you've got plenty of storage for extended trips. The reverse camera feature deserves special mention. When you shift into reverse, it automatically activates with customizable parking guidelines. You can adjust these to match your specific vehicle dimensions for precise, confident parking every single time. The built-in HD microphone ensures crystal clear calls, while multiple connection options, Bluetooth, aux, and FM transmitter, mean you can enjoy rich, full-bodied audio through your existing car speakers. The volume controls are intuitive and responsive. GP's navigation through apps like Google Maps and Waze works flawlessly, with real-time traffic updates and route suggestions. The voice navigation through your car speakers is clear and timely, especially helpful during lane changes and heavy traffic. The IIWEY iK7 brings modern connectivity, safety features, and entertainment to any vehicle. Whether you drive an older car or just want to upgrade your current setup without permanent modifications, this portable system delivers premium features at an accessible price point. The wireless connectivity, dual camera system, and that stunning display make this a complete package. Installation is straightforward with the included mounts, and the comprehensive accessories mean you're ready to go immediately. If you've been considering upgrading your in-car tech, this deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.